To create a AI avatar of yourself, you have two options here. First, you can use image-based models to create the LoRa of you that can replicate the version of you in any form. For example, if you go to my channel and if you see all the videos, thumbnails out there, it's not me posing for the camera on each time. I just use image LoRa to create one for myself. And to watch that video, you need to subscribe to this channel how to create that as well. This video is about the video LoRa, and which is the second option. So for that, you have only one option left, and for that you need to go to fall.ai/models and sign up for the free account. And after you sign up, you need to top up with at least $7 to your account, and after that you just need to search for video LoRa. Here you will list all the models that actually available for that, but for the training it's only one model that is available, which is Hunyuan, okay, however you want to pronounce. So video LoRa training, you just need to click on that. As you can see, the training is already running, but how to do that? Left side you need to give the data set here, and what type of data set it requires. It requires the images of you in different angles. For example, here is the list of images that I have taken of myself, and I've already used that for the text to image models like a Flux LoRa, and there I have posed in different angles. You can also do that, either pick someone up and take a photo of you, or you can just pick your camera and take a selfie of yourself. Okay, and as you can see, let me give you this. As you can see, I look surprised here, and there is one which I'm looking on the slightly tilted on the right. As you can see, I look surprised, and with the different emotions you need to do that, because if you want to create emotion based videos about yourself as an AI identical, then you have to create that or short your pics just like that. Okay, and after that just compress your file and upload that here. Pick a zip file, just select your file, just upload that here. So this option is very I would say important, because if you have a load of money in your account, you can go ahead and add that to the maximum of 5,000. But if you don't, then if you want to go cheap just like me, then you just need to add the 1,000 steps, which is actually minimal. And why I'm telling you this is because if you see the disclaimer here, it says request will cost around $5 per training run, but it scale linearly with the steps. So if you add more steps to your training, it will increase the price here. And in additional setting, you don't need to add anything. But if you want to add a trigger, for example, if after the training, if you are going to run your model just without entering the LoRa URL, then I know you may be confused about the LoRa URL. Just don't be, because I'm going to explain what it is in the near minutes. And after that, you can trigger with any word here. For example, the trigger word is here. I will just tell the Hunyuan, okay, however you want to pronounce, text to video to just with this word, and it will automatically detect that trigger word and it will generate the video of me based on that trigger word. You can go ahead and add it, but I don't really want to do that. You can go ahead and add that as well. There's the do caption, there's the learning rate, and there is data archive format. So you can easily go ahead and provide a dictionary. I don't think you need to do that. Just click on solve. It will start creating like it. So if you see the logs, as you can see, about 296 steps has already been done. So we will wait for until the 1,000 steps, and then we will see how it's going to be in the outcome with it. So wait for that. Okay, so I think it's done. As you can see, if we click on the sports, you can click on the hugging face, and there you will access the token, and you need to define that as well. So this is show files. You have two things you need to download. First is JSON, and there is a save times of file. So why you need to download this? Because in future, if you want to run that with the help of other tools, not the fall.ai, you can easily do that with the help of this. Okay, and now let's test this out, what it is going to be. And to test this, you need to just click on the run in Flames. So now it will redirect to your video LoRa here. As you can see, we have a path to our file. All we need is to enter our prompt, and there is an options also, which is a skill. I don't think we need to do that. First, let's go to the portrait, walking in middle of busy street, posing to camera, smiling. Just like that, we have a path to our LoRa's, and just click on the run here. And for $1, you can generate only 3 times. So be specific about your prompt. Okay, it will eat money like anything. And see how it's going. The process is only done 2 by 335, and you can see how the process is going on the right. And let's just wait for this. So it's exporting the video. Let's see. I'm pretty excited for this. I hope it looks good. Okay, so it messed up. I think it's actually not me. Anyway, this sucks. It doesn't work. Around $6 to $7. The better way to do this is generate your LoRa using a Flux LoRa. For example, here it is, which is the Flux LoRa text to image, which we already have requested so many times. So this is the request. As you can see here, I have created so many times using the Flux LoRa. It's actually the best out there. And for that video, you need to subscribe to this channel.